Hello there, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaur from Speak Smartly with Kaur, and today I'm going to talk about that I can understand English but can't speak. What is the real problem behind this? So I'm going to talk about this issue. So watch this video till it ends because it must gonna be very helpful for all of you. Okay? So now firstly, let me talk about myself. When I just started to learn English, when I was just beginner, I can just understand 5% of English. So that is why I wasn't able to speak English. Okay, जब मैं इंग्लिश को ही सिर्फ 5% अंडरस्टैंड कर रही थी तो मैं कैसे एबल थी कि मैं इंग्लिश को बोल सकूं. सो आई वॉजंट able that much that I could speak in English. Okay, so what's the reason behind this? That how I have improved myself a lot. How I have improved. So I would say that I had just one thing. That was my mobile phone. Now you guys might be asking me that, or you guys might be thinking that, like, how can I learn English by just the help of mobile phone? मतलब मैं कैसे सिर्फ मोबाइल फ़ोन की मदद से इंग्लिश को लर्न कर सकती हूँ. So guys, I would say that yes, it is possible. It is possible. Okay, ये चीज़ पॉसिबल है. और वो कैसे, वो मैं आपको बताती हूँ. फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल, अगर आपको कोई वीडियो देखनी है, फॉर एग्ज़ाम्पल आपको कोई वोकेबलरी का मीनिंग नहीं समझ आ रहा, वोकेबलरी वर्ड का मीनिंग नहीं समझ आ रहा, तो आप इजीली यूट्यूब पर जा सकते हो ना. यूट्यूब पर जाकर सर्च कर सकते हो उसका मीनिंग. हिंदी में, पंजाबी में, कोई और लैंग्वेज में आपको समझना है उसमें भी समझ सकते हो. बिकॉज यूट्यूब इज़ अ दैट काइंड ऑफ सोर्स on which you can search about anything. It has a lot of content about a lot of topic. So why can't you learn English? Okay, this is the problem. Okay, this is the problem that many individuals who are learning English they face. They just they they just think that they can understand English, but when it's time to speak or when it comes to speak, they just think that their mind goes blank and now they don't have words. मतलब बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं जो कि इंग्लिश को लर्न करना चाहते हैं, उनको इंग्लिश अंडरस्टैंड भी होती है, बट जब बोलने की बारी आती है तब क्या होता है, उनका माइंड एकदम से ब्लैंक हो जाता है. उनको पता ही नहीं चलता कि अभी उनको क्या वर्ड बोलना है. फॉर एग्जांपल, अगर मैं कहूँ कि इन पत्तों के बारे में कुछ बोलो, तो आप क्या ही कहोगे. मतलब अगर आपको पता है, कुछ कुछ चीज़ें पता होंगी कि आप ये कह सकते हो दीज आर लीव्स, है ना, और क्या कह सकते हो दे आर फ्लाइंग इन द विंड. दिस इज़ अ वेरी नॉर्मल. ओके, बट कुछ लोग हैं जिनको ये भी कंटेंट नहीं समझ आएगा. सो यू कैन ईजली talk about your surroundings. For example, if there is something which is around you, you can talk about that in English. Okay, just try to think about anything in English, and this process is going to help you a lot. Okay, so when I just started learning English, I had just my mobile phone and I had searched a lot about this thing, like how can I improve my English alone at home, because I wasn't able that much like that I could have expensive classes for improving my grammar skills, because I was very weak at grammar. I would say that I can understand English, but when it's time to speak, I wasn't able that enough that I can make a single sentence by using right grammatical structure. Okay, wasn't able that much. So, what I did, I started to practice on my daily basis. I started to talk about my daily routine in English, whether I was making wrong sentences, whether I was making right sentences, but I started to speak in English. Okay, and this helped me a lot. This method helped me a lot. Okay, so just firstly try to search about that topic on YouTube, then try to talk about that in your own words. Okay, whether you have words about that topic or not, try to speak about that. And if you don't have words, try to search about the words. Just go onto the chat gpt and search on the chat gpt that what I could say to this word in English. Okay, you can normally ask in Hindi. Chat gpt can understand Hindi, English, Punjabi, and many other languages that can understand. Chat gpt is an artificial intelligence, so that can easily understand many languages. Okay, so you can easily ask any question in your mother tongue. Okay, and try to ask to chat gpt a lot of questions about a single topic. you can get detailed information about that topic easily. Okay, yeah, there is also one thing that you can use Google for improving English, but I would suggest you to use ChatGPT, because if you can understand English but you are not able to speak, so ChatGPT will help you a lot, and you can even have a conversation with ChatGPT. Okay, there is also a tool in ChatGPT that you can have conversations. But if you don't want to have conversations with ChatGPT, try to have conversations with your own self. Try to talk about yourself in front of the mirror. Try to do shadowing. Now, what is shadowing? Shadowing means you are watching any video and you are trying to read and repeat the subtitles. For example, if there is any speaker who is speaking single sentences, okay, so try to listen that video, then pause that, then repeat that sentence. Try to turn on the subtitles, then try to read and repeat those subtitles. This is called shadowing. You can do shadowing easily, and if you do shadowing, there would not be have any kind of fear of judgment. So you can do shadowing, and that's all for today. I'm getting late, so I have to end up this video here. And if you will apply these methods in your life, you can easily learn English. You can easily learn how to speak in English. If you can understand, you can easily speak.